Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your carpets are starting to look dull, stained, or just need a serious deep clean but you don't want to waste money on the wrong machine, then this video is exactly what you need. Today, we're diving into the best carpet cleaners you can get this year. Tested and ranked from solid everyday models to pro-level deep cleaning beasts. We've focused only on the latest releases, nothing outdated, and every model on this list is currently available in the US market. These carpet cleaners aren't just about suction, they also tackle pet messes, tough stains, and even built-up grime with smart features like heated cleaning, dual brushes, and self-cleaning systems. Whether you're a pet owner, a parent, or just tired of renting bulky machines, this list has a real solution for you. And of course, the strongest and most capable cleaner takes the #1 spot, so make sure to stick around to the end. If you're into sharp, no-fluff reviews that actually help you buy smarter, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Alright, let's jump into it, starting with number 5. Number 5. Hoover CleanSlate XL Pet Carpet Upholstery Spot Cleaner. Kicking off the list is the Hoover CleanSlate XL, a compact but surprisingly powerful carpet and upholstery cleaner that's perfect for tackling messes in tight spaces or spot cleaning without the bulk of a full-size machine. Let's start with what it does well. The CleanSlate XL features a powerful suction motor paired with a 96-ounce clean water tank, which gives you more cleaning time with fewer refills. It's designed specifically for spot cleaning pet stains, high traffic areas, upholstery, stairs, and even car interiors. If you're someone constantly dealing with muddy paw prints, drink spills, or daily grime, this is a grab-and-go solution that actually works. It comes with a range of tools. The 7 wide path tool is ideal for larger spots, while the tight spot tool is great for corners and edges. And yes, there is a dedicated pet tool that's built to handle embedded pet messes and odors. It also features built-in hose, rinse, and tool cleaning functions, which make maintenance a breeze compared to older spot cleaners. Design-wise, it's lightweight and portable, but still feels solid in the hand. The hose is long enough to reach across furniture or car seats, and the cord is generous at 18 feet. It may not have heated cleaning or steam power, but the suction and brush agitation do a great job lifting stains from fabric and carpet fibers. Who's it for? The CleanSlate XL is perfect for pet owners, apartment dwellers, or anyone who wants a quick, easy way to clean small messes without dragging out a full upright carpet cleaner. Bottom line, it's not built for cleaning your entire house, but for everyday messes and spot duty convenience. The CleanSlate 40Elf delivers reliable, efficient results in a compact package. Number 4. Bissell TurboClean PowerBrush Pet XL Carpet Cleaner. Coming in at number 4 is the Bissell TurboClean PowerBrush Pet XL, a budget-friendly upright carpet cleaner designed for pet owners and anyone needing quick cleanup power without the bulk of a professional unit. What makes this model shine is its 4-row dirt lifter power brush. It rotates through carpet fibers to loosen dirt and stains with solid consistency. While it doesn't have dual brush technology, the single roller still does a great job on low to medium pile carpets, especially in high traffic zones, entryways, and pet areas. The XL version includes a wider 10-inch cleaning path and a larger tank system, which means fewer refills and more cleaning done in one go. Its 2-tank setup separates clean and dirty water, and both are easy to remove, rinse, and refill. The 1 2-gallon capacity isn't huge, but it's ideal for smaller rooms or regular maintenance. At just under 13 pounds, the TurboClean Pet XL is lightweight and simple to carry upstairs or around furniture. There's no fancy steam or heating system on board, but that also makes it less prone to clogs or breakdowns. For quick action after accidents or weekly refreshes, it's incredibly convenient. Storage is also easy, with a slim profile and collapsible handle. Cleanup after use is simple too. The removable nozzle makes it quick to rinse out hair or debris. It's not packed with features, but what it does well. Who's it for? Ideal for pet parents, renters, or anyone who wants basic carpet care without spending a fortune or storing a heavy machine. Bottom line, the TurboClean Pet 40F offers a clean, simple, and efficient solution for everyday carpet messes, and it earns its place in this lineup. Number 3. Tineco Carpet 1 Spot Smart Cordless Carpet Cleaner. Taking the third spot is the Tineco Carpet 1 Spot, a cordless smart carpet and upholstery cleaner that brings innovation, convenience, and surprising power into a compact design. If you want a mess-ready machine that's easy to grab and go, this is the one to check out. The standout feature here is Tineco's iLoop smart sensor technology. It detects how dirty your carpet or upholstery is and adjusts the water flow, suction, and cleaning time automatically. This gives you optimized cleaning without wasting battery life or water. It's one of the smartest spot cleaners currently on the market. It comes with a 1.5L clean water tank and a separate dirty water tank, giving you a good balance between size and performance. The suction is strong enough to pull up deep-set stains from carpets, car mats, couches, or even pet beds, and the included attachments make it versatile enough for all of them. Plus, it features an internal brush self-cleaning system, which is a huge time saver after use. Being cordless, it runs on a rechargeable battery and gives you around 20 minutes of continuous cleaning, more than enough for small areas or sudden messes. It's not made for full room deep cleaning, but it's excellent for quick response use. And the digital display keeps you updated on battery, water levels, and cleaning status at all times. The compact design and modern styling make it easy to store and comfortable to carry around. For anyone tired of dragging cords or bulky machines, this feels like a breath of fresh air. Who's it for? Great for pet owners, parents, or anyone who wants smart cordless convenience for everyday stain removal. Bottom line, the Tineco Carpet. One spot may be small, but its smart features, strong suction, and easy maintenance make it one of the most efficient tools for everyday cleaning. If you've been enjoying the list so far, go ahead and hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more breakdowns just like this. Number 2. Bissell Revolution HydroSteam Pet Carpet Cleaner. Coming in strong at number 2 is the Bissell Revolution HydroSteam Pet, one of the most advanced, full-sized carpet cleaners you can get for home use right now. If you're looking for professional-grade results without hiring outside help, this machine is built to impress. The Revolution HydroSteam stands out with its HydroSteam technology, a unique system that uses a combination of heated water and cleaning solution to loosen and lift deep-set stains, dirt, and pet messes. The result is a more effective clean and fewer passes, especially on thick carpets or heavily soiled areas. It features multiple cleaning modes, including Max Clean for deep extraction and Quick Clean for faster drying times. With the Clean Shot pre-treater, you can target stains directly before rolling over them, giving you an edge on stubborn spots. It also comes with an attachment hose and several tools, including a pet stain tool and a 2-in-1 upholstery tool, perfect for furniture, stairs, and even car interiors. The dual dirt lifter power brushes work together to scrub both sides of the carpet fibers, and the machine's edge sweep brushes clean along baseboards. A 1-gallon clean water tank and separate dirty water tank provide ample capacity for full room cleaning without constant refills. Despite being full-sized, it's easy to maneuver thanks to a low-profile foot and decent handling. Cleanup is also simple, with a removable nozzle and tank system designed for quick rinsing after each use. Who's it for? Ideal for pet owners and families who want powerful, full home carpet cleaning with the added benefit of steam-enhanced performance. Bottom line, the Bissell Revolution. HydroSteam brings advanced tech and deep cleaning muscle to everyday homes. It's as close to a pro carpet service as you can get without leaving the house. And finally, my number 1 pick, Rug Doctor Pro Deep Carpet Cleaner with dual cross-action brushes. If you want commercial-level carpet cleaning power in a machine you can keep at home, the Rug Doctor Pro Deep is as good as it gets. This isn't a lightweight cleaner for small messes, it's a full-sized, high-capacity machine designed to deep clean heavily used carpets, pet stains, and ground-in dirt like a pro. What sets it apart is the dual cross-action brush system. While many home models rely on a single row of bristles, this Rug Doctor uses 2 counter-rotating brushes that scrub carpet fibers from multiple angles. The result? Deeper agitation and more effective stain removal with fewer passes. It also uses a powerful suction system that lifts dirt, water, and detergent, efficiently helping carpets dry faster than expected for such a heavy-duty machine. The large capacity tanks, 1.5 gallons each for clean and dirty water, allow you to clean more space without stopping to refill or empty. It's perfect for full room cleanings, and the clear tank design makes it easy to monitor water levels while you work. The wide 11.5 cleaning path also speeds things up, especially in larger homes. Despite its size, the machine is easy to handle thanks to an adjustable handle and smooth rolling wheels. And for above-floor cleaning, the included upholstery tool and 8-foot hose give you everything you need to refresh furniture, stairs, or even your car's interior. Who's it for? The Rug Doctor Pro Deep is built for serious users, pet owners, parents, or homeowners with high-traffic carpets who want a machine that delivers real results without compromise. Bottom line, with commercial-grade brushes, extra-large tanks, and unmatched suction, this cleaner turns your living room into a pro-level treatment zone. It's rugged, reliable, and the best all-around carpet cleaner you can own today. And that wraps up my countdown of the best carpet cleaners you can buy right now. Whether you're upgrading from a basic unit or finally ready to ditch rental machines for good, this list proves that powerful suction, deep scrubbing, and real convenience don't have to come with a pro-level price tag. From the compact Hoover CleanSlate XL to the heavy-duty Rug Doctor Pro, there's a cleaner here for every home, every mess, and every budget. So which one stood out to you the most? Are you leaning toward lightweight spot cleaners or full-size machines with serious power? Drop your thoughts in the comments, I always check and reply. And hey, if this breakdown helped you out, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another honest, straight-to-the-point tech review like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.